Hello, in this video I will create the first project Hello World with Microsoft. After I will run and testing. Finally I will deploy this project in Anypoint Studio. So let's start to create the first project. Here we have new project. So I give the name Hello World. And finish. So if I see here, there is a file XML with the same name of the project. And if I look here, I have the Mule palette and I find everything for creating our project. If I click here to the core, I find flow. So for the flow, for example, there is a flow and subflow. The difference between a flow and subflow, the subflow coming without error handling. And there is a private flow. So if I click here again to the flow, so here I can to do everything without error. And for the private flow coming with, for example, without listener, so I can directly put here the set payload, but the flow I need to put here the listener. So I will delete the other component like subflow. And the second one, and I will work with the flow. So here, if I look to the listener, I find this error because I need to configure some parameters like a connector configuration and the path. So for connector configuration, I need to click to this plus, and I will see the HTTP listener config window. It's opened. I change here 8082 because I like to work with this port. I can do test connection. So test connection successful. So there is not problem to working with this port. And finally, I will configure this path. For example, I will do test hello world. So the error is gone. Here, if I click to this edit, I find this window and this part. So if I click to HTTP listener config, I can edit, create second connector and delete. So I turn to message flow and I will add the set payload. For the set payload, if I find this fx here, so I can to add or I can to change everything, but I need to add this double cut here. So hello, this is set payload. I do save. After I will do run. So for testing I can use the REST client like Postman. I will create the new collection like Anypoint tutorial, like name. And I will add the first request here. hello world with set payload. I turn to my project. If I check the console, I find this project is deployed, so I can do the test here in the Postman. So here we have in listener this path. I will do copy and paste here in the Postman, and I will add HTTP localhost 8082. So I click to the send, and I find hello this set payload. If I change, for example, with the transfer message, I turn here to the anypoint platform. So I will change this set payload with a transfer message. For example, I will add this parameter here, like this, JSON. Hello, this is transfer message. I will do save, and I need to stop this project, and I will do again the run. I need to wait some time for deploying this project. After, I will do the test in the Postman. So the project is deployed, and I will do the test here. So I click to this send, and I find the status is 200, and the type of result is changed. After creating and running the project with the test, I need to deploy this project to anypoint platform. So I will enter here in anypoint MuleSoft and runtime manager. I will deploy our project. So the name, hello world test. I need to add some number, or no, I need to change the name for the word 1. No, the word testing. No. So for deploy, I need to change this to Cloud Hub. Okay. So I need to add the file. For the file, I need to upload the jar of the project. Here we have our project, hello world Mule, and the target Finally, I find the jar here in the target of our project. I click here to deploy. I need to wait some time. And this page is coming. So here we have the log, settings, dashboard for our project. So everything is okay and this project is deployed. So in this video I saw how can I create a project MuleSoft, how can I run and test, finally how we can do the deploy our project in any point MuleSoft platform. Thanks for watching and in the next time.